Stroll with me through the Philadelphia Flower Show. I loved this year's Makers Market with a bunch of local artisans making handcrafted goods. There's even this super cute Volkswagen bus turned into a bouquet bar where you can make your own bouquet to take home. And then when you walk in, you're met by this amazing installation with so many vibrant blooms. I really loved all of the textures throughout the space. There were so many uses of mixed media, which I really love as a florist. I loved all the proteas and the different oriental flowers that they incorporated this year, especially this orchid and wood structure. So beautiful. This protea pond was so peaceful to walk by. And all of the different colors and emotions throughout the space really captivated me. I loved this forest installation. I just felt like I was in a fairy garden walking through the place, especially through the children's gardens. There was even a section with artists replicating different pieces of work. I especially loved all of the dried flower installations. There was a huge play on herbal medicine throughout the space as well, which I really loved, especially walking through the herb gardens. And all of the inside vendors were amazing as well. I love Hudson Valley seeds. Some more beautiful orchids. And the tulip garden was stunning. So many different variations of tulips in bloom. The butterfly garden was magnificent. I hope you get to make it to the flower show this year.